medical report ka sawo tabusu jora ke kisa thing no tongko normal haibano boro sung examination ma tonai tamala am hai case rokong ke pula siangi mano pia ulo hongke abone report hamia ke nungzak mani tongo hi sawo
mane firstly doctor tamo ribukha
firstly doctor brief remind kangka bono je x-ray ba je tomani test khamania golo bono ya roti senka bo yak tisemen baka even bo kaham ko kok semen baka
mane doctor sare saka pan sojak mani no
yes they agree means sung bono borto semia they were not there so sung saka bottom khai sungka ke sung medical staff ng saka bor pan sojang se and I think they also agree that because sinogi je doctor tong je medical staff tong bor khai no kha bono mokol busano so that is why bor bono admit udaro kha yang kha khayo hai ke serious ni ke bono admit daro bala khamu
theke mane am hake pan ani kuno force ni armed force ni kuno rights da
no sung to ajaga kuno violence khaja kare sung jodi student sung kuno political party ne buya sung just independent student organization sung peaceful or basena sung play card ne movement khaitong ba even do sin thago chin yago to kuno stick goi lathar kare sung ora bong against kuno yak tisone ba kung bong no kudung ma kare we are just where stand some are sitting there inka jago sung kuno violation khaiman kare jago peacefully khaitong jago bar sung haiga yak tison kok tomani yang tha khayo
khorbusu pujaka
sini bising sung 5-6 jon daga soba khaijaka pia awani bising bong ke belai khek saduk ma bono buja ko kha
mane khorbusa ne enjoy
ko kha